Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2017 Ford Kuga ST Line X. Now of course you get your LED daytime running lights, you get your projector housing headlights as well. You then get front and rear parking sensors, you get these brilliant 19-inch painted alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do get. Then coming around to the rear, you get your rear parking sensors as well. And coming into the tailgate, of course with this being the ST Line X, you get full electric opening tailgate, which will reveal the sheer amount of space that you do get. You've got 60/40 split folding rear seats, which will fold down, just so you can store more objects in there. Then when you are done in the tailgate, simply press the button up top and the tailgate will drop down like so. Coming around, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got your part Alcantara or part suede, part leather with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've then got electric windows all around, keyless entry and start, electric driver's seat, and of course we've got your automatic gearbox in the middle. Then coming into here, we've got your dual climate control, 2 front heated seats. You also have heated front windscreen and heated rear windscreen. You've then got your stop start off, tailgate button, parking sensors, and then your park assist. So this will allow the car to park itself with the press of a button. Then we've got your media in the middle. This comes with various audio sources. So if I just go on to the media, just one moment. So onto media, as you can see, you've got AM, FM, DAB, CD, Bluetooth. You also have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We've got Bluetooth hands-free, satellite navigation, and then over to the steering wheel, we've got your cruise control and speed limiter just down here. We've got your onboard computer controls on the left, volume, track select and Bluetooth hands-free with your voice assistant on the right. And as you can see, this Kuga has done 50,454 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Ford Kuga, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.